Hi everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lock Picking. Today I have a challenge lock and it is from Average Picker and it's called Crawl. He just sent me a package and this was in with it. Here's the bitting on the key. It's pretty nice. This is going to be the first attempt of picking this lock. So let's hope I can get into it. I'm gonna try my pick from SPP'd. Felt a little click there on one, a little one on two, three, a little bit of a click and let's see, this is a 5-pin lock and okay, got a little bit of crunch out of 4, I believe it was. And a little bit of crunch out of 2. Going, creeping up to the front. 1 is was giving me a little counter. There we go. Give me a couple little clicks. Get one step, gave me another one. Okay, I believe that's set. Now 2 gave me a little nudge and a little turn on the core. 3 is giving me a little counter. I don't know if it's gonna. Oop. Well, I think it gave me a little click and a little bit of movement. And 4 and 5 don't seem to be talking to me. Everything's gone quiet now and very still. So I better change up a little click on 1, a little bit of a movement on 3, and I need to get under 4. And it's binding. And 5 seems to be binding. Boy, this thing is binding up now. I have to try to find something to talk to me. Okay, I'm going to change picks. Maybe I want something else now. Try the sparrows. Now, 1 feels pretty loose. I'm pretty sure that's set. And 2 feels set. So I've got to find the one that's 3, 4, and 1, 2. Okay, got a little movement now. Nudging on 3. Okay. Kind of lifting up on these pins, but I believe that they're all set there in the front. Here we go. All right. Let's see what's inside of this lock. That was a fun little pick. And that was Crawl from Average Picker. Let's see what's inside this lock. Okay, I do have the key. It works good. I'm going to go ahead and close it up. Works good. Now, I don't think my little helpers fit this lock. This is pretty much one for a Schleg, I believe it is, so I'm going to have to do this the old-fashioned way, which is fine. Did it like that for years and years. I'm going to turn this tray around. Got it upside down. Okay. The cap off. Springs out. Put the key right there for now. See, I gotta find a. Take it back. Gotta find a. Whoa, that shot out. Go over here. Everything shoots away from me. Alrighty, let's see if we can get this shim in here without any problems. And turn it this way. Okay, that looks pretty good right there, I believe. Ooh, I don't know. I think it slid off. It's not under that first one. It's messing with me. Okay, here we go. Right there. Now, first thing I'm going to do is put on my painting glasses so I can see what I'm doing. And tilt that light down a tad. Okay. Here we go. Right through like butter. Okay. Yeah, those construction holes didn't bother anything. Average Picker. They seem to be fine. Let's take these key pins out, see what we have. And we'll look inside of the core. Looks smooth. Doesn't look like any modification there. And let's see what's in here. Okay, nice drive, nice spool, and number one, great big long spring. And number two just jumped out. Where did it go? Heard it hit the tray. Did you guys see it? Great. Take this out. Oh, here it is, right here. Thank goodness. Well, that's a nice looking spool right there. Did nice work on that. Okay, next driver. And I'm going to go to the back. Got a nice point like a T-pin. And the next one is like, wow, that's a trip. Okay, let's get the rest of these springs out. And the inside of the Bible looks standard. Okay. These are beautiful looking pins. Let's see if we can. I sure hope I was in frame the whole time. Oh my God. I'll hear about it. And move this over a little bit right there. I'm not going to move it because I get in trouble when I do. Okay, here's the bottom drivers. This one has 2 deep serrations like a spool, all custom made. This key pin, did I say driver? I meant key pin. And this key pin is not pointed on the bottom. It's almost like a regular driver. The second one is shaped like a key pin. And has a deep serration. This one has a real deep, sharp lip on the bottom of it. A standard in 4. And in 5, turn this around. It's a nice little spool sharp top on it. And the drivers, this one has 2 deep serrations. This is like a spool. And it's got some really fancy work in there. I don't know how to explain it other than to show it. It's almost like a barrel pan with some serrations in it. Okay, third one has a couple of deep serrations into the spool. This one here is really interesting. I'll hold this one up. Very sharp. Looks like a kind of like a spear, but it's a spool with a spear top on it. That's it. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, and then the 5th driver has like a little T-pin on the bottom. A real sharp serration, and it gets smaller on the bottom. I think it's starting to focus finally. Okay, and all the springs are nice long steel. They're all the same. Anyways, that is Average Picker's crawl. That was a joy to pick. Thank you so very much. And I hope you all have a beautiful day and come back and see me soon. Bye-bye.